In our review today, we have the latest Google Pixel 7 and the 7 Pro devices. Two exciting devices which might just be the best of the smartphone. So as at the time of recording this review, the Google Pixel 7 is up for $599 while the 7 Pro is up for $899 respectively. Now, let's find out if this device is actually worth this amount. I remain Mrwhosetheboss of Mrwhosetheboss TV, and today we're giving a quick review of the Google Pixel 7 and the 7 Pro devices respectively. But don't forget to hit the subscribe button right below this video while at it. So in the boxes, you get a USB cable and an adapter to help you with the fast charging setup. But then we recall that earlier there was a Google Pixel 6 which had some underdeveloped features like 1. The chipset, which is the Google self-made tensor in the Google Pixel 6, was underpowered. The battery life didn't really satisfy our expectations in the Google Pixel 6, and even though the Pixel 6 took really good photos, the video quality kinda marked this device down. Now Google has been able to fix this issue in the Pixel 7s, but they've also added a bonus by creating something even more than what we even expected. So in the design of the Google Pixel 7 and the 7 Pro, they do not really have much of a difference because power buttons seamlessly connect to the camera visor on the back of these devices, which gives your hand a good rest when you're using the phone in landscape mode, and even better for gamers. The screen is good with a full HD panel on the Google Pixel 7 and a larger Quad HD panel on the Google Pixel 6 Pro. The resolution isn't something to bother about. The screen is good with a full HD panel on the Google Pixel 7 and a larger Quad HD panel on the Google Pixel 7 Pro. The resolution isn't something to bother about. 1080 pixel is a plenty resolution there. So the Google Pixel 7 and the 7 Pro are the first devices that are powered by the Google second generation tensor chipset, the G2, and a lot for a phone of this amount. Now, here is the big deal about the G2 CPU tensor. Speed is good, unlike the Pixel 7. Commendable performances on both the 7 and the 7 Pro. So the GPU for graphics capability, even though it's 5% behind the Galaxy S22 Ultra, is really impressive, with about 40.4 degrees Celsius on the Pixel 7 and about 42.3 degrees Celsius on the 7 Pro on repeated tests, which is not so bad for a gamer. You're guaranteed of a better gaming performance on this device. But this G2 sensor development isn't just about gaming, but works perfectly on their AI to make Google understand your voice even better and punctuate where necessary. Accuracy in this device is top notch, and that's on both the Pixel 7 and the 7 Pro. The fingerprint sensor or scanner in the Google Pixel 7 and 7 Pro is sped up. Everything in this device is simple. Transfer of data are made easy, and demos are even available on this phone as a user guide to assist users on how to operate these devices at ease. Also good in predicting users' next app. Quite spotty though. So the Pixel 7 gets 3 years of Mrwhosetheboss update, which is good too. Battery life is good. So the Pixel 7 battery life is a synonymous with Pro phones, truly. And the 7 Pro is running balanced with the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Not quite the best, but manageable, I would say. Now to the cameras. So first, the Google Pixel 7 has a 50 megapixel main camera and a 12 megapixel ultra-wide camera. Good and impressive editing features on the Google Pixel 7. Noise reduction in the Google Pixel 7 is astounding on photos, and it also optimizes the face length and removes lens distortion. Auto and blur features available for a good photo experience, No zoom cameras, but still this device has the capacity to take photos at 8 times magnification. Low light photos are good too. And all thanks to the software AI, the speech enhancement picks up voices clearly without background noises too. Autofocus for photos is available too. Video quality is good, and that will be for the Google Pixel 7. Then we have the Google Pixel 7 Pro, which has same features to the core but an additional 5x zoom camera paired with all these optimizations. So the zoom shots are a banger. Oops, better than the iPhone 14 but not way closer to the S22 Ultra. Macro shots are taken even on closer objects. So that's it for the Pixel 7 and the 7 Pro of the Gen Zs. So they're fantastic, they're punchy, helpful, and perfect for their price ranges. The Pixel 7 is giving what it's definitely supposed to be giving, which leaves the 7 Pro as an option if you're willing to spare an extra $300. More RAM, extra battery, punchier camera, and even more. It is your choice to make, but I promise you that every time you spend to get the Google Pixel 7 or the 7 Pro is definitely worth it. We expect a thumbs up for this video, and if you're yet to subscribe, kindly do so, and also leave a comment for us in the comment section of what you think about this video. I remain Mrwhosetheboss of Mrwhosetheboss TV, and see you again on our next video. Thanks.